Hello, YouTube. Hardcore Airsoft 5 here today, showing you my update on my fort, part 2. Yeah, I just put stones in it, got covered back in mud because it rained. And this is about 4 feet deep. More than that, actually, way more, 6 feet deep. It's very deep. And you can see my stones kind of buried. Yeah, we're not here to here to here to there, and that one. What I've really been working on is the one up here, the defenders fort. Sorry if the wind's blowing the mic, it's a little bit loud. So, this big pile of twigs and stuff is a bunker. The bunker I already showed you before. Just crouch, shoot, and shoot. Crouch, shoot, shoot. Got a little door right there. Yeah. And here's our retreating place. Shoot right there. Oh, and let me show you something else. I don't know what I'm doing with this right now, but this is snipers. This isn't really the sniper spot. I made a new one. Get on this ladder right here. Good to go with that. Let me show you my new sniper spot. My brother, who's 16, he's the sniper in our group. So, see, let me get up there real quick and put this in my pocket. Okay, hold on. Got your little sitting stools right here. I'm standing on the fence right now. So I get up and yeah, you sit on there. I'm not gonna sit on it though, because it's a little wet and slippery. So, and we're just gonna start putting our wood back there. I don't know what that is back there though. We cut a lot of stuff, raked a bunch of leaves on that brush pile down there. And Saturday, today's Wednesday, Saturday, I'm gonna have a war here. Yeah, it's pretty good. And that's it. Thanks for watching.